How to get a CoinGecko API key. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can get a CoinGecko API key. The first step is to log in into your CoinGecko account through the website. And the second thing you must note is that on CoinGecko, there are different subscription plans. And for the free version users, you cannot get an API key. The only way you can get an API key is after upgrading to a paid version of CoinGecko. All right. Now, what do I mean? First of all, log in into your CoinGecko account through the website, and on the website page, you would see some tabs such as cryptocurrencies, exchanges, NFT, learn, products, API. So by clicking on API, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you'll see crypto API on chain, NFT, etc. Select crypto API, and then you'll be brought to the next page where you can see the most reliable or comprehensive cryptocurrency data API for traders and developers. Scroll down and click the Get Your API Key Now button, and then you will be directed to the page where you would need to upgrade. All right, like I said earlier. So after upgrading, you'll be taken to a page where you would see details what you need to do. You'll see the option which says add new key. Click on it to generate an API key, then store it securely for future use, and then use the API key in your queries. So it's actually simple to get, but you would have to upgrade your plan from a free user to an analyst, light, pro, or enterprise user, and then follow the procedures and your API key would be generated. I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to practice what you've learned today. Have a wonderful day.